Hello folks, I'd like to today share with you information about Volvo. This Volvo truck is 2015. Even though you can see that my fuel leverage is not almost full, but it is enough in there. So last time my truck was I pick up deliver to the company parking lot, and suddenly my truck was died. It's a good thing happened at the parking lot. As you see right here is the parking lot. I just stopped. Even it says fuel is low. So I went to auto parts. I bought that one of you guys know engine starting floor. So I poured some. I don't know how many I got. It was working so good with that. So I bought a whole bunch of engine floor, like a 510, right here. This is a engine starting floor. After you spray to right here, air intake, right? Engine runs very smoothly, runs very fine. But it's not keep running because the fuel indicator says enough fuel, but engine doesn't get the fuel. My truck computer say that it says a fuel filter is dirty, so I changed the brand new one. This it costs about I think $30-40 or something like that. Then after that I changed it. It looks like an engine oil filter, but actually underneath right there, that's a white thing. That's not an engine oil filter. That is called fuel filter. So I went to Volvo dealer, changed that brand new one because my computer, say there is a fuel filter getting dirty. It has to check it out. So I put the two things, even though not engine running properly. So when you have a Volvo truck, do not trust too much on indicators. When you say engine is not running, even though when you spray the engine starting floor, it runs normally okay. You get power backup, but it's not continue running 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, it have to be run normally. So something is strange. Fuel indicates enough fuel. So what I did, I said not accidentally, I was curious about that. I went to a fuel tank. Right here, this is a fuel tank. It was nighttime, so kind of dark. I turned on the flashlight. I was looking to the inside. Guess what? It was definitely empty, almost empty. I can see the tiny bottom there, fuel. This side is some tiny fuel, but the other side tank, it was totally empty. So that's what it happens. Volvo truck. This is a nice day here. I'm at the Indiana right now. So don't trust too much indicator. You guys might heard that also when you're training at the CDL school after you got 2 weeks in a coach. So even school say that do not ever trust the GPS or your phone or your computer indicator. Many technology they are accurate, most time not breakdown, but they does have a breakdown. They have a malfunction many times sometimes. So do not rely on everything. Even fuel indicator says full enough. Always check everything step by step. Double check. Always careful. So basically I'm gonna buy some more fuels. After that, pour in there. Now most important part, when your fuel is totally empty, engine is not running, that's a manually you can do, or like a pumping process. This side, this engine sticks right there, engine oil. Right next to there, that all the way bottom, little knob, the round thing, that is a pumping process. So you accidentally, happen, totally fuel tank is empty. You manually open that, that turn the knob on the right side, turn right and turn left. You can feel that will open and pops up. The inside that has a spring come up, then you can do manually pumping process. Old-fashioned way, what they do, carburetor car, you have sitting at the driver's side, you're pumping the accelerator, gas pedal, then they will pumping. But truck's different. So this has a pumping process right there. So let me show you. So basically, you're gonna go up to the truck. All right. So that knob, round thing, turn left to right, slightly press down. Then you can see that it's pops up. That's we have a processing. You can pump it times, 100 times. You can feel that fuel coming out. So that's the manual process. I did say yesterday, 50 times. When the engine runs up, normally then after 1 hour you die because if you, as you know, tank is just still almost empty. Talking about some 5 gallons more. So, alright folks, this is the minor tips wheel. This is not happening a highway. It's not a trouble, but I'm lucky to happen at this beautiful parking lot here today. So Indiana. Alright folks, thank you for watching and don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.